Everyone thinks the best-selling splatter screens are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Bird-Cock Splatter Screen. First up, we have the Bird-Cock Splatter Screen priced at just $9.99. This stainless steel beauty caught my attention with its heavy-duty design and that impressive 4.6-star rating from over 35,000 reviews. If you're looking for a reliable tool to keep your kitchen mess-free, this is worth a serious look. It attaches securely to your cookware, eliminating the need for those cumbersome pot holders. Plus, it keeps your stove and countertops clean so you're not spending your precious time scrubbing away grease stains. With over 6,000 sold just last month, it's clear that people love this thing. Now, some people complained about the size, noting it can be a bit bulky for some pans. Here's the thing though, as long as you have a decent-sized skillet, this is a non-issue since it fits most cookware perfectly and does its job well. This is perfect for you if you love frying up bacon or chicken without the oily mess. Skip this one if you have a collection of small pans, as it may not fit all of them. But for the price, it's fantastic value. Now, if the bulkiness of the Bird-Cock bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Epidgrowth Silicone Splatter Screen. Next, let's talk about the Epidgrowth Silicone Splatter Screen, available for $9.09. This caught my eye because it's made from high-quality, heat-resistant silicone, and it's also dishwasher safe, which is a major plus. If you want a flexible and easy-to-clean option, this one should be on your list. What's great about this splatter guard is its universal fit. Measuring 17.3 by 12.5 inches, it accommodates various pot sizes, making it great for all your cooking needs. The silicone material allows steam to escape, so your food cooks perfectly without trapping moisture. It also prevents greasy splatters, so your kitchen stays clean and tidy. At 4.6 stars with over 1,100 reviews, it's clearly a favorite. But honestly, if you're careful, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just make sure to adjust it properly on the pan. This is perfect for you if you prefer silicone over metal for ease of cleaning. Skip this one if you want a more secure fit since it can slide around a bit. Overall, it's a solid choice for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, US Kitchen Supply 4-piece set. Now let's check out the US Kitchen Supply 4-piece stainless steel splatter guard set, which runs at $19.99. This caught my eye because it offers multiple sizes, which is perfect for any cooking scenario. If you want a comprehensive solution, you'll want to hear more about this. The fine mesh construction is durable, rust-resistant, and super easy to clean since it's dishwasher safe. It's rated 4.6 stars from about 6,900 reviews, and with over 2,000 sold last month, it's clear that people appreciate this variety. But here's the thing. Some users found the handles a bit uncomfortable to grip during use. It's a fair point, but for me, the convenience of having multiple sizes outweighs this minor flaw. This is perfect for you if you're cooking a lot and need different sizes for different pans. Skip this one if you only use 1 or 2 sizes regularly. For the versatility and functionality, it's worth the investment. Now, if having multiple sizes isn't a priority for you, wait until you see the next option that's all about simplicity. Product number 4, US Kitchen Supply Stainless Steel Splatter Guard. Next up, we have another option from US Kitchen Supply, a single stainless steel splatter guard priced at $13.99. This one stood out to me because it's got resting feet that allow you to set it down without making a mess. If you cook often and hate cleaning, this is a great pick. The 13-inch fine mesh cover provides effective grease and oil protection while letting steam escape, so your food cooks just right. With a 4.7-star rating from over 10,300 reviews, it's clear that many cooks trust this product. Plus, the comfort grip handle makes it easier to maneuver without getting burned. However, some reviewers pointed out that it can be heavy for some users. While that's true, I think the sturdiness actually adds to its effectiveness. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, single splatter guard that does its job without fuss. Skip this if you're looking for a lightweight option, but for the price, it's very reliable. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact and convenient, check out the final product on our list. Product number 5, Handuk Splatter Screen Set. Finally, we have the Handuk Splatter Screen Set for $16.99. This caught my attention because it comes with 3 different sizes: 10, 11.5, and 13. If you appreciate variety in your cooking tools, this set might be just right for you. The extra fine mesh design stops 100% of spitting oil while being made from high-grade stainless steel. Plus, with a 4.5-star rating from about 1,000 reviews, people are generally satisfied. The heat-resistant knob handles allow for easy lifting when needed, which is a thoughtful feature. However, a few users mentioned that the fit isn't perfect on every pan size, leading to some splatter. But look, that can happen with any splatter screen. Just be mindful of which pans you use it with. This is perfect for you if you want a set that covers all bases for different frying pans. Skip this if you only need one size, as the set may be overkill for simple needs. But for the value, it's definitely worthwhile. So to wrap it all up, the Berg Cock offers solid protection, the Apid growth is easy to clean, the US Kitchen Supply 4-piece set gives you options, the single US Kitchen Supply model is durable, and the Handuk set provides variety. Depending on what you need, there's a splatter screen here for everyone.